So we should start. The topic is type of choppers. In this case, the choppers are classified in five types, that is type A to type E. And these types are divided out. These types are classified on the basis of operation of chopper in a particular quadrant. Suppose our output voltage is positive and output current is also positive, whatever it may be the direction, जो भी आप convention इसमें choose कर रहे होंगे, according to our convention, if it is these two parameters are positive, then that particular chopper operation will lie in a particular quadrant. Suppose V naught is positive and I naught is also positive, then it will be first quadrant chopper. And the first quadrant chopper by virtue is basically a type A chopper. So now we will study these in detail. The first is type A chopper, which is basically a first quadrant chopper. What happens in this? At first we will draw the circuit for this chopper. Inside this dotted box, the chopper circuit or chopper switch is there. You can write it CH. It is connected to load and it makes circuit complete with Vs with this polarity. The polarity of output voltage will be like this, upside positive and negative at this side. The load current I naught will flow in this direction, and this load current will flow only and only when this switch, chopper switch, is in closed position. If we say chopper switch is in closed position, chopper switch is closed, it means the thyristor which is employed here to work as a switch is in on condition, or you can say it is operational. When this switch is operational, or this CH, this chopper is operational, the load current will flow in this direction. Means we are taking a direction which is from direction of load current is from source to load, and we are making it a convention that this is a positive direction. This is positive load current. The voltage is also positive. So if we make a diagram or a VI characteristics for this chopper or the operation of this chopper, what it will show, I naught is also positive, V naught is also positive. So this chopper will lie in first quadrant. Okay. And second thing, you have studied the type of chopper on the basis of operation previously. We were studying step down chopper and step up chopper. So necessarily it is a step down chopper. And in this step down chopper, to make the value of current or to make the direction of current in positive direction only, what is the provision? We put a freewheeling diode here. वहाँ पर हम एक freewheeling diode लगा देते हैं, which ensures that the current does not dies and the direction of current does not reverses still if the switch is in off condition. अगर आप स्विच को ऑफ कंडीशन में ला दें still the direction of current will not reverse. If we are seeing that this clockwise current like this freewheeling diode is supporting the same current, even it is made that it ensured that the load voltage has been decreased to zero. So this chopper will give us output in such a manner that voltage is also positive and current is also positive. Okay. What happens that we work or we take the output by these choppers by making various kind of combination, means type A, type B or some other may be there, or combination of any two or more than two may be there. तो हम यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हैं कि for as it was the first one, तो हम इसको यहाँ पर डिनोट कर रहे हैं CH1 से. तो दिस ग्राफ विच इज हैश्ड एरिया, ये जो हैश्ड एरिया आपको मिला है, दिस इज ड्यू टू ऑपरेशन ऑफ CH1 and prevailing diode. When CH1 is on, positive output voltage is achieved and load current, obviously load current is positive. This direction is that is the direction from source to the load, and this direction is maintained even if the CH1, the chopper is turned off. When chopper switch is in open position, जब ये open हो जा रहा है, there is no flow of current from source to load. Still, if some residual voltage you can say is remaining here, उसकी वजह से इस करंट को ये सेम डायरेक्शन में मेंटेन करके रखेगा. तो दिस इज द बेसिकली वर्किंग ऑफ type A chopper. So this type A chopper you can see by your